How to fix camera not working in Bigo Live. Camera not working when you try to go live on Bigo Live. A non-functional camera can stop your streams cold. Don't worry, there are several troubleshooting steps that you can take on your iPhone to fix this. Let's get your camera working. First, ensure Bigo Live has camera access permissions. Go to iPhone settings, then find privacy and security, then go to camera. Make sure the toggle for Bigo Live is turned on. It is turned on in my phone. If permissions are fine, first close the Bigo Live app by swiping up the bottom of the screen and swiping up the card away. Reopen it. If it doesn't work, restart your entire iPhone. This often solves the temporary glitches. Check the App Store to ensure your Bigo Live app is updated to the latest version. Also, try opening your iPhone's native camera app to confirm your camera hardware is working correctly. If not, it might be a hardware issue. With these troubleshooting steps, your Bigo Live camera should be back in action. Get ready to go live. Like and subscribe for more Bigo Live technical fixes.